Hey there, I'm Jason, and today I'm going to show you how to put together your trombone. The first thing you want to make sure of is that you have the instrument case on the floor in front of you with the handle side on the bottom. See how the handle is attached to this side of the case, not this one? That's what you want. Next step, you're going to open the latches upward and then slowly open the lid. Once the lid is open, you're going to pick up the slide. Now, picking up the slide, you have to be very careful. The slide has two braces here. When you pick it up, make sure you pick it up while holding on to both of those braces. Otherwise, if the slide lock's not engaged, the slide could fall off, and you don't want that. It's also a good time to make sure that the slide lock here is actually locked so that you can't pull the slide off. The next step is to reach into the end of your case, sometimes in a pocket, and remove the mouthpiece. You're going to take that mouthpiece and you're gently going to insert it in the shorter end of your slide, just like this. Once it's in there, you don't screw it in, you don't hit it in, you give it a quarter twist. And that pressure fit will keep it locked in there until you want to take it out. If you screw it in too hard or if you hit it in, you're probably going to jam it in there, and that takes a tool to help remove it. So we don't want to have to worry about that. The next step is to attach the bell section to the slide section. Hold the slide, making sure that you've got both those braces at the same time, and pick up the bell section. The bell section gets attached to the other side of the slide. And when you do it, you want to make sure that the slide is on the right, and at a 90-degree angle, the bell goes out on the left. Once you've done that, there's a screw right here. Tighten that screw as tight as you can. Don't worry, you're not going to damage the instrument, but if you don't tighten it enough, it may start to come apart, and you don't want that at all. Once your instrument is fully assembled, then you need to learn how to hold it. With your left hand, which is on that side, you're going to take your thumb, and you're going to put it on the bottom brace of the bell, right where it meets the other part of that pipe, closest to the mouthpiece. Probably just put your first knuckle there. I wouldn't go all the way in with your thumb, that's too much. Once you've got that, the index finger then comes up over the mouthpiece. And that's why you don't want to be like this, because otherwise you may not be able to reach. The other three fingers go around the first brace of your slide. With your other hand, what you're going to do is like you have a pencil, thumb and two fingers, and you're going to hold the slide at the bottom of the second brace. There are generally two positions we use with the trombone: playing position and rest position. Playing position is when the instrument is pointed out at the audience and you're ready to play. When you're not playing, you're in rest position, and usually we do that seated. We are sitting down and we place the trombone bell on our left knee. We also hold the slide while holding the instrument, just to make sure that if that slide lock's not engaged, no issues happen. That frees this hand up for turning pages, changing the music you're looking at, or using a soft pencil to make notes.